enclosed front porch, living room with ceiling fan, bedroom, large walk-through closet, walk-through closet to the other bedroom, back to the living room, dining room, built-in corner cabinet, second bedroom, ceiling fan, lots of overhead storage above the closet, built-in closet or wardrobe, into a very spacious, large single bath. Bath connects to the kitchen and the master bedroom. Back to the dinette, dining room. What I would call a galley kitchen corridor that opens up around the corner. Another entrance to the front of the house. You got your entrance on the front porch, as well as a secondary entrance off the driveway. Enclosed back porch, washer and dryer hookups, electric service, 100 amp electric, out to the garage, small shed, access to the alley.